What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you or we'll be discussing you how to find nationwide PIN. So, just in case if you've forgotten your PIN here for your nationwide account, well there are a few things that you could try doing here. So first thing that you may want to do is you may want to view your PIN through the online banking or through online banking here. So log into your nationwide internet banking account, go to manage cards and then select view PIN. Now complete these security steps to view your PIN security. Next is you may want to use the Nationwide mobile app. Now you want to open up the Nationwide mobile banking app, tap on your card, then basically choose the option that says View PIN. Now confirm your identity using the Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode here. And in this case, you should be able to see your Nationwide mobile PIN here. Next is you may want to request a PIN reminder by post. Now if you can view it online, call Nationwide customer service or visit a local branch here. Ask for a PIN reminder to be sent via email, and it usually arrives around 3 to 5 business days. And finally, you may want to reset your PIN at an ATM. Now go to a Nationwide or Link ATM, enter your card, enter your current PIN here, then select PIN services, then change PIN to choose a new one. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.